Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you turn on a VPN? Does it make you invisible, or does it just hide your IP address? Let's see what's really happening behind the scenes. Without a VPN, every request you make first goes through your internet service provider. Whether you're opening a website, watching a video, or checking your email, your traffic follows this path. Your internet provider can still see several things: your IP address, the server you're connecting to, and when the connection happens. Even if the website itself uses HTTPS, your provider still knows you're connecting to that website. Now let's turn on a VPN. Instead of talking directly to the website, your device first creates an encrypted tunnel to a VPN server. From now on, everything travels through this secure tunnel first. Before your data leaves your device, it's encrypted. Readable information becomes unreadable code. Anyone intercepting the traffic would only see encrypted data, not the original message. So what does your internet provider see now? It can still see that you're connected, but only to the VPN server. It no longer sees the final website you're visiting inside the encrypted tunnel. When your request leaves the VPN server, it continues to the website, but this time, the website sees the VPN server's IP address, not your real public IP. A VPN becomes especially useful on public Wi-Fi. Without encryption, someone on the same network may try to inspect your traffic. A VPN helps protect the connection by encrypting the data before it travels across the network. But a VPN isn't magic. It doesn't make you completely anonymous. It doesn't stop every tracker, and it can't make an unsafe website safe. A VPN is a privacy tool, not an invisibility cloak. So here's the entire process. Your data is encrypted. It travels securely to the VPN server. The VPN server forwards it to the website, and the website only sees the VPN server's IP address. A VPN doesn't hide everything, but it does add an important layer of privacy and security to your connection. Now you know what actually happens every time you turn a VPN on. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more animated technology explanations.